Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed and unknown error occurred on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're trying to log in with your Apple ID, but you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to log in with your Apple ID, you might see the error which is verification failed or an unknown error occurred. So basically, it's nothing else. It's just a network issue which can be easily fixed by fixing your network. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll the control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go back from here and open your settings app. Go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnect your VPN, just go back and here just go to software update and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to reset your network settings. Just go to settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, and select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. So after resetting your network setting, you have to retry it. Before you retry, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes very black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once the phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue will have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, just go to your browser. And here you have to simply search for a website which is appleid.apple.com. You select the website. Now, the very first, you have to try to sign in with your account on this website. It might be if there will be any issue with your mail address or with your password, it will be fixed in this tab. So just tap on the sign in option and just try to sign in with your account. Once you have signed in, your issue will be fixed. And after just signing in with your browser, you can easily sign in your Apple ID or in your settings easily. Or you can also try to contact with your Apple support. Just open your Apple support app. Just try to select the more products option here. Then select Apple account. And here just select other Apple account topics. Now just try to select any option from here. So let's say if you have forgotten your password, so you can select this option from here. Or you can also try to select this security on pushing option from here. Or you can also select forgotten Apple account password. So let's say I'm going to select this one from here. Then select this get more help. You can directly reset your password using this get started option. Or you can tap on this get more help option, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a few help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.